Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have some NAD plus supplements. It says PQQ, Resveratrol, CoQ10, D ribitose. So I take like CoQ10 and some of these things here. They're supposed to be good to support your mitochondrial health. So there you go. Here's some of the ingredients list on it, but let's open it up and check it out. Oh, didn't quite open. There we go. So in here, we are given the little supplement packs. So this is it here. It is like a liquid kind of ones, like if you've taken some of those energy goo and those types of things there, it's kind of like a little pack of that. It's kind of liquidy. Sounds more like water, I guess, inside of there. So definitely a liquid pack. And it says dosage is you take one packet once a day, and this should hopefully do what it needs to do. So there you go. So that's what it comes with, is a bunch of those. And what's in here? It's in a very interesting package. Oh, I guess it's just a package in there to make it look nice. You can kind of see it's got that. So there we go. And it comes with a whole bunch of these. So if you need some of this supplement, it seems like a good pack of it to me. So pretty cool. Thumbs up.